Hello traders, it's Yanis here and welcome to our weekly Forex forecast. I have chosen 5-6 pairs that I think they're looking good. This is the last week before we enter on a big week, Holy Week for the Orthodox people. So we know market is a little bit slow and it will be even slower. That's why also we won't have any live room on Renko, next week. But what I have here now in gold is I have already my double bottoms. I have a really nice trendline break. I have a higher low. I have my crossovers. And if I go to my 4-hour chart, what I would like, of course, is a retracement all the way down to the 36 EMA before I continue long. If I go to 1-hour chart, I will see also a 1-hour retracement. I can't say that this is a 1, 2, 3, maybe from here, but I already have a retracement. So concerning this retracement, it's not like a 1, 2, 3, but if you want to go long, because you see price try to break and continue for a higher settings retracement, it didn't make it. So if you want to go long with a 1-hour entry, remember you can go for like 700 pips, but this is not even a 1 to 3, a 1-hour 1 to 3 after a 4-hour 1 to 3. So you will be going a little bit aggressive. So I would say lower risk. Now on GBP New Zealand dollar, I have the crossovers. I have here, actually it's here, my double bottoms. I already have here my crossover. Price has reacted with a trendline break and I would like again to go long. Previous highs at this point, in any case, I want a retracement. Continuously I have higher lows. Price bounced on my trend line here, so here you could have bounced trade also long. You see at the history, price tends to defy 36 EMA and go and react on my trend line. And again, in lower settings, what we can do is draw our trend line here. You see the bounce, my trend line has broken, and actually on the bounce I have also a higher low trend line break, and you can easily go for a 1-hour 1 to 3. Price retraces, uses my previous trend line as support, and with a nice setup I can go for at least 650 pips. On EURGBP, multiple tops, bottoms here at this level. I can even go lower. Price has reacted here. If you have a support area on this level, I'm okay with that, but my previous lows are here, so I can draw also another line. I would like to go short. You can see after the reaction, price couldn't stay above my 36 EMA. I have a drop. If you want to go for a more conservative setup, you can always wait for a 4-hour retracement, and when your 2 to 3 line breaks, you can go short. Try to create your win-win scenario within this like 100 pips, but actually you will be going for this area. This is the big picture, not this one, this one. This is the area that you will try to create your win-win scenario, and this is your support area for the big picture. On New Zealand dollar CAD, you can see here price is going long. We are already long with our Renko live room, but what I have also here. This is my weekly chart. Price couldn't stay. I already have a reaction. I have at this point a trend line break. But my setup here, my 1, 2, 3 doesn't look good so far. If this is going to be one of these things that price does, I mean like a bounce with a higher low, with a lower high, I'm okay with that. But what I see here on my 4-hour chart, I already had a combination to go long, and also on 4-hour chart continuously highs. Of course, if you want to continue going long, next best scenario would be a 1-hour 1 to 3 after the 4-hour 1 to 3. My target, it's the same, it doesn't change. What matter, whatever, something like that, my setup is going to be support and resistance levels remain on daily or weekly, actually weekly. Let's check oil. On oil, you can see this is a support and resistance levels coming from far back in the history. Price reacted but didn't retrace all the way to my combined support area. It's still powerful, it still wants to go long, and I'm okay with that because my target is here, these double tops. So if price can break this area, I would like to go long with a 4-hour 1 to 3. This is what actually I would like to happen. Price retraces, uses my previous resistance area as support, and with a nice 4-hour entry I can go for 1000 pips. Now if we go to Aussie CAD, you will see our previous approach, and of course if you were long, you had your opportunities, you had your win-win scenarios for sure. Look at this, that entry would have given you, if you followed it, let me check just from curiosity, an entry like 40 pips going for 270. Not bad. Price was in a range a little bit. So what happens now? Here price couldn't stay below my support area. I had a 4-hour 1 to 3, which is always a good thing. I don't know if you trade 4-hour charts or not, but what I also have on my daily chart is the reaction, like I said, and that is also not that good as a daily trend line, but it would look much more better as a 4-hour trend line or like that. No problem with me. So here you had your chance. We are already in, of course, with Renko, and if not, you can always go and combine that with a 1-hour chart. Ideally, of course, what we need is a retracement all the way down to the 36 EMA. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see you again with our live room. Stay safe, everybody.